Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Inner Sound. Today I have a 10-minute desk yoga to help you ground into the present moment, to let go of overthinking, and to let go of the stress and tension in your body as you are maybe going through your work day. Class is only 10 minutes, so let's get right to it. We're gonna go ahead and start in sitting cat-cow. So on the inhale, you wanna lift the chest. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, chest up, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. I'm gonna demo this from the side so you could see how that looks like. Inhale, forward. Exhale, round the spine. Tuck your chin in a bit. Inhale, forward. Deep exhale back. Become more aware with your breath pattern. See if you can synchronize your breath with your movement. Inhale forward, deep. Deep exhale as you round the spine and tuck your chin in. Continue with your breath. Continue with this motion. And as you do this, feel your sit bones are on the chair underneath you. And have your palms sliding in and out, top of your thighs. And see how that feels on your hands. Excellent. Now bring your spine back to neutral. From here, we're gonna fold forward and fold as much as you feel comfortable. I'm gonna scooch my seat back here a bit. Deep breath in and out. Relax the back of your neck, relax your jaws. And perhaps close the eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Releasing any tension or any overthinking that you may be doing right now. Excellent. Slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, rise up back to a neutral sitting position. Again, feel both of your sit bones grounding onto the chair underneath you. And see how that feels. What sensation do you feel in your body right now? Pay attention to your breath here. And start by moving your neck into circular motion. Move slowly with control. Inhale, half circle forward, deep inhale. Deep exhale, half the circle back. Go ahead and switch rotation. Continue with your breath. Continue with the motion. Excellent. Bring your head back to center. From here, we're gonna just stretch our neck to the side. So bring your right palm on top of your head. Deep breath in and out. Feel the stretch along side of this neck side. Perhaps close the eyes if that feels good. Deep breath in and out while still feeling your spine, the bottom of your spine, grounding onto the chair underneath you. From here, go ahead and gaze towards the armpit. Feel the stretch along the back side of the neck here. Excellent. Bring the neck back to center. Go ahead and switch side. Deep breath. Relax your jaws, relax your face. Go ahead and gaze towards the armpit here. Soften your gaze, soften your jaws. Deep breath in and out. Excellent. Bring the head back to center. Now interlace your fingertips behind your back. So do something like that behind your back. And go ahead and tuck your chin into your chest. And perhaps move your head side to side if that feels good. Feel it in your neck, at the back of the neck, top of your shoulders. If this is enough for you, go ahead and stay here. If you would like a deeper stretch, go ahead and fold forward as you do this next stretch. Rock back and forth. Move gently. Excellent. Slowly rise up vertebrae by vertebrae. Release the hands, shake it off. Come back to your breath here. Our last pose will be downward facing dog. So go ahead and bring your chair, shift it a bit. Make sure your palms are facing forward. Place it on the chair. This is a modification for down dog. So straighten your arms. Relax the back of your neck. And your knees can be bent a little bit or a lot here to maintain that long spine. Gaze in between your feet. Deep breath in and out. Allow your head to just hang here, heavy. Feel both of your feet grounding onto the floor underneath you. Excellent. Slowly lift up. Move towards a plank pose here. Drop your hips down for cobra pose. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Move the neck side to side if that feels comfortable. Excellent. Slowly ground your feet onto the floor. And make your way into a standing position. Thank you so much for moving and breathing with me. If you end up by benefiting from this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Namaste.